Hey, I'm John from Red Lemonade, and today we're going to share with you a quick intro to the design sprint, a process we deliver to clients to solve big problems and produce a testable prototype within just 1 week. Okay, my role at Red Lemonade is to show clients how design strategy adds real quantifiable value to their product or service, allowing them to innovate faster and more efficiently, and the design sprint plays an important part in this process. So, a little background first. The design sprint was developed by Jake Knapp, who also has a book called Sprint, which you should definitely check out. It's a 5-day process which we have reduced to a 4-day experience that was first tailored by the good people of AJ and Smart in Berlin. We've put some links below so you should check them out. The 4-day sprint is designed so you can fast forward to see how customers will react to your product in the future. The goal is to gain valuable and critical insights before you get into that time-consuming and expensive task of the product build. The beauty of the 4-day process is that we only require your product team for just 2 days. Okay, let's look at Monday, the first day. You start with a big challenge and a cross-functional team of say 5 to 8 people from your CEO, product manager, marketing, sales, engineering and design. From there, we map out the problems and everyone works on solutions individually. This helps to cut out unnecessary conversations that can slow down progress, as sometimes happens in brainstorm situations. Tuesday, day 2. The best solutions will be picked using a structured voting method. This will then be weaved into the storyboard by the team, which is the basis for the prototype. On Wednesday, having finished 2 days with the team, Red Lemonade builds a high fidelity prototype to provide a realistic experience for the user testing. On Thursday, day 4, the last day, we select and conduct 5 user test interviews with the high fidelity prototype. The test users are independent and selected based on the client's target market. We record and take note of the impartial feedback from the testing and also broadcast this live to the client. After all of this, we deliver to the client a summary report of all the key user feedback, including design and strategy insights. Some ideas will work and some others won't, but you will gain valuable insights and a clear direction on where to proceed next with your build. So that's it, the step-by-step 4-day process of the design sprint. If you would like to find out what we can do for you, get in touch. And if you found this useful, share it with your team and subscribe to catch the next video. You can also catch us on the social media channels such as Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. See you soon.